In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to get back missing devices from Device Manager in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed it, wait until you would be able to see a best match, which is a control panel system, before we proceed. Okay, so once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on open here at the right side to continue. Okay, so the moment you have bring up this control panel window, okay, you need to change the view first into large icons by navigating here at the upper right side. Click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to proceed with device manager, which is in my case that is being placed at the second column next to backup and restore. So click on this one and eventually you would be able to bring up the device manager window. You can now close the control panel so that we can focus on this one. So here, first, you need to select or yes, select your computer or computer name. And then here at the top of that, you can see their action. Click on this one and you need to go with add legacy hardware. So if you have missing devices here in your device manager, then we can add it or we can place it here at the device manager again. So click on next and here it asks you what do you want the wizard to do. You can search for and install the hardware automatically or proceed with install the hardware that I manually select from a list. So please proceed here. And by that you would be able to see a common hardware types. Just have to select those devices that you would want to get back here in your device manager. So let's say for example that your cameras is missing. Okay, so just click on next. And from here, you need to click on next. Okay. And it will not show here the devices. Okay. You can go with have disk, click on browse. And in that way, you would be able to locate those camera device or camera drivers that you have installed here in your Windows. Just select that and click on open and then click on next. And in that way, you would be able to install it. Okay. Another way is that okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed here at the action again. Go with the add for legacy. Okay, add legacy hardware again. Click on next and go with install the hardware that I manually select. Click on next. Let's say, for example, your display adapters or your okay, we just have to select here. Yes, your display adapters, for example, is missing. Just click on next. Okay, and it will show you the manufacturer for your display adapters. Click on Microsoft, click on this one, and then click on next. And to start installing your hardware, you just have to click on next. Click on next, and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. So go with finished. Okay. And eventually, when you navigate to the display adapters, you would be able to see the driver, which is the Microsoft Remote Display adapter, where here you can make a right click, click on Update Driver, and you can go with search automatically for drivers. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on this backward arrow, go with browse my computer for drivers manually, and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers. Click on next and then reinstall it or update it in the computer. And in that way, you would be able to update it here in your Windows or reinstall it. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.